How to create OpenSea account to sell your NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your account on OpenSea to sell your NFTs. So let's get started. What you have to do is just come to OpenSea.io and you will land on this amazing website. Now to get started with OpenSea, you don't have to, sign up or create a difficult account. What you do is you will see that when we come on this website, you will see the option of explore, stats, resources, create, and then there is this option where you see your profile and your favorites and your collection. So what we do is we don't have to, go ahead and create a account. We just need to connect our crypto wallet, our simple wallet with our OpenSea, and we will get started. Now to connect your wallet, what you have to do is just come on this symbol right here, which looks like a wallet, and when you click on this you will see the option of my wallet, and in this my wallet option we can actually add any wallet that we are using. For example, you're using MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, or Formatic, or any other option that you want to choose from. You will just simply go ahead and do that. So you will simply go ahead and do that. I will be connecting my MetaMask. So what I have to do is just click on MetaMask, and now my MetaMask will actually open up. Let's just bring it in the middle and actually make it big. Now I have to add my password for my MetaMask. So now you can see right here that this is what my wallet looks like. Right now I do not have any currency right now in my wallet, but what you get is you simply get your Ethereum. Let me expand the view and show you how your MetaMask wallet actually looks and how we can connect it to OpenSea. So you can see right here that this is what the crypto wallet looks like, and you will see the customized currency that we get is Ethereum, and you will see it right here. If you want to change your mainnet to any other currency, for example, if we want it to be on Polygon, we will go with Matic, but it is suggested that you start with your Ethereum because every NFT will be available in Ethereum most of the time, and so you will be able to buy them and sell them easily. So once you have your crypto wallet, it's super easy to get. What you have to do is you can sign up for any of the wallet that you want to. I have signed up for MetaMask. It's super easy, and you also get it as an extension for Google. So what you have to do is get your wallet. So once you have your wallet, what we did was simply connect to our wallet, and you will see the option of my wallet right here. If I want to log out at any time, I will just simply click right here. So this is the step that you need to do. This is basically it. So once we have connected our wallet, what will happen now is that I can actually create any NFT that I want to. So I can just create any NFT. I can actually mint my NFTs on OpenSea now, and I will be able to check out my profile as well. So what you have to do is click on create. Now when we click on create, this is where we actually add our new collectible, our new item we created right here. Is super easy. What you have to do is add your NFT right here. Once I click right here, I will be able to add any image, any video or audio. I can actually add any of the file. It should be JPG, PNG, JPEG, any file you want to. So this is the NFT that I created recently. It's a PNG file, and you will see it's actually a color Bitcoin that I named it, and this is the NFT that I will be adding to my OpenSea. You can actually create NFTs wherever you want to, whatever type of NFTs you have. You have game cards, you have music, art related NFTs. Any NFT you can just create it and add it right here. So I have added my NFT right here, my PNG file. So you can see right here that I have added the name, which is kind of very random, but you can go with your name, whatever name you want to give to your NFT. If you have a collection, so you can just give it any name you want to. After that, you will see the option of external link. Now here I can actually add the URL from any other site or any other page that I have. For example, any other collection or collectible that I want to add link to, I will simply add it right here. After that, there is a description option where we will be adding our description. So after that, you will add the description right here, and you will just simply, add about the NFT. I have not added a description. I just wrote the word description. You will add whatever you want to add in the description. After that, you have to select the collection. On OpenSea, if you do not have any collection, it's okay. This will be your first collection if you're creating your NFT for the first time. So just, select your collection. I already have 2 of them, so I'm gonna select any of those. Properties. In the properties, you can just, add any type or any name for the properties. This totally depends on you, whatever you want to. For example, when we have different collections, we can add different types and different properties to certain NFTs, so we can get more organized, and to the buyers it will be easy for them to find an NFT when it comes to, when they are divided into different properties. For example, I can just say color. So what happens is I just added 2 random properties right here. After that, levels. Now this is important when you have NFTs related to certain levels, when you have items that need to be divided into 2 different levels. For example, when you have NFTs related to games or different characters that are available on different levels, so you will be able to, you can just add them right here. For example, let's just go with speed, and from 3 to 5, let's make it 2 to 6. Save. It will be added right here. After that, stat option, unlockable content. Now unlockable content means that I can actually add content that will only be a certain, I will actually have a code for it, and it will only be revealed to the person who will buy the NFT. Now here, this is actually a good thing. Most of the people don't consider it, but you can actually use this option, and you can sell your NFTs physically as well. Just imagine if you are an artist and if you want to sell your physical product as well, you want to sell your physical art, then you can, add your information right here. OpenSea allows you to do that, and you can just, then send this code or link to the buyer only, and this information will only be shown to you and to the buyer. And you can just, add any link or any file documents you want to, you can add in unlockable content. For now, I do not have any unlockable content for this NFT, so I'm gonna leave it that way. After that, supply. Now this is important. You will be paying the gas fee according to the number of NFTs you are minting, how many copies you have with the buyer, how many copies will be available for the buyers. So I only have 1, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Now blockchain. Which blockchain I want to sell my NFT on? There are different options that I can choose from. So now there are 2 options, Ethereum and Polygon. Here's an advice for you. If I sell it on Polygon, you will see right here that on Polygon, I do not have to pay any gas fee. So this is pretty amazing if you sell your NFT on Polygon. But that's the thing, it will be then only available on Polygon and not on Ethereum. If somebody wants to buy it, they will have to buy it on Polygon, right? But you don't have to pay the gas fee, so that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go with Polygon. Actually, I do not want to pay the gas fee because gas fee can be too much sometimes, and I think we're good without it, right? So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna select the Polygon. After that, there is a metadata option where you can actually freeze your metadata. Will allow you to permanently lock and store all these items content in a decentralized file storage. So what will happen is you just simply freeze it for permanently lock this information and your first item. Just leave it that way, it's fine. And after that, once you have added all of the information, what you do is you simply click on create, and once you do that, you will actually have to pay the transaction fee, and you will have to pay the gas fee if you have on your Ethereum or any other blockchain that you are using. So yeah guys, you can see right here that I have just added this NFT that you saw me creating. So this is how your NFT actually looks once you have put it up for sale. This is actually in my collection right now, and you will see that if I want to edit it, I can just simply do that. If I want to sell it, put it up on marketplace right now in order to actually sell it, I can do that as well. But for now, I'm not gonna do that because I just created this website very randomly for the video, so I'm not gonna actually sell it, but this is how your NFT actually looks. And once you mint it, and your description will be shown here, and once you have put up your NFT, you will be able to sell it, and the buyers will be able to buy your NFT on OpenSea. Now OpenSea has amazing artists, and there are millions of NFTs that can be found on NFT. There are different NFT types, for example, art, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, sports, and utility. So you can just create your account on OpenSea as I showed you. Super easy to do that, and once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and start selling your NFTs today. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your account on OpenSea and sell your NFTs. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.